Spot the difference. Homophones and the power of grammar tools. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we'll dive deep into the world of homophones and commonly confused words in English. These tricky words can easily slip past our eyes when proofreading, but don't fret. We'll also introduce some effective grammar and spell check tools that can be your lifesaver. Ready? Let's get started. Homophones are words that sound alike but have different meanings, and often, different spellings. Examples include there, and there, or to, and to. They can be a real challenge when proofreading because our eyes often see what they expect to read, rather than what's actually written. That's why grammar tools can be a huge help. These tools are designed to catch mistakes that the human eye might miss. Here's how they help. 1. Automated scanning. Once you've written your text, these tools scan your work and underline potential errors. 2. Homophone detection. Many advanced tools can detect if you've used the wrong version of a homophone based on context. For instance, writing, "I hope you're okay," will be flagged, suggesting "you're" instead of "your." 3. Explanation and suggestion. When an error is detected, these tools often provide an explanation for the mistake, helping you learn and avoid making the same error in the future. While these tools are incredibly helpful, it's important to use them effectively. 1. Don't rely solely on them. These tools are great for catching slip-ups, but they aren't perfect. Always do a manual proofread too. 2. Understand the suggestions. Instead of blindly accepting every suggestion, try to understand why a change is being recommended. 3. Customize settings. Many tools allow you to customize settings. This can be useful if you're writing in a specific variant of English, e.g., British versus American English. Apart from homophones, there are words that aren't pronounced the same but are often mixed up. Examples include effect versus effect, or then versus then. Grammar and spell check tools can be very effective in catching these mix-ups as well. And there you have it. Proofreading can be a daunting task, especially with tricky homophones lurking around. However, with the help of grammar and spell check tools and a keen eye, you can master the art of error-free writing. We hope this video has shed light on these invaluable tools and how best to utilize them. Keep writing, keep learning, and remember, everyone makes mistakes, but it's how we learn from them that matters. Happy proofreading!